Hi there. In this video on PMN Online, we are going to cover how to download a folder as a zip from Google Drive. Let's dive right into it. Have you ever needed to manage or transfer a large collection of files from Google Drive? Perhaps you're working on a project with multiple documents, or maybe you need to share a photo album with friends or colleagues. Downloading an entire folder as a zip file can be a real game changer. It allows you to compress all those files into one single package, making it a breeze to transfer or store them. In this tutorial, we'll go through each step of the process, and I'll also share some handy tips along the way to make things even smoother. First things first, you need to open Google Drive in your web browser. Simply navigate to drive.google.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. This step is crucial as it ensures you have secure access to all your stored files and folders. Once you're logged in, the next task is to find the folder you want to download. Depending on your file organization, you may have to click through a few directories to locate it. It's important to double-check and make sure you've selected the correct folder, as this will be the one you download in zip format. After you've found your target folder, you need to right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu with various options. The one you're interested in is the download option. Once you click Download, Google Drive will begin the process of compressing the folder's contents into a zip file. This is a highly efficient way to bundle everything together into a single file, making it easier to manage and transfer. It's important to note that the time it takes to complete this process can vary. If your folder contains many files or some particularly large ones, be prepared to wait a bit as Google Drive does its work. Patience is key here. Once Google Drive has finished zipping the folder, your browser will prompt you to save the zip file. Here, you'll choose a destination on your computer where you want to save this file. It's a good idea to pick a location that's easy to remember. You might opt for a specific folder where you usually store downloads, or even your desktop for quick and easy access. After downloading the zip file, you might want to extract it to access all the individual files it contains. To do this, head over to the location where you save the zip file on your computer. You can use any file compression tool that you prefer for extraction. If you're on Windows, the built-in Windows Explorer works perfectly fine. For macOS users, the Archive utility will do the trick. Alternatively, you could use third-party tools like 7-Zip, which provide robust options for both Windows and macOS. Simply right-click on the zip file and select the option to extract or unzip it. This will recreate the original folder containing all your files, just like it was on Google Drive. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to download a folder as a zip from Google Drive. It's a practical solution for organizing, transferring, and backing up your files. Now you can easily share entire collections of documents or photos with just a few clicks. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to download a folder as a zip from Google Drive. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this.